Yo, what's going on, guys? One Purpose Fishing here with Cameron. We're going out on a river today. It's supposed to be golden. It's where I caught my PB. I wasn't I wasn't filming last time I was fishing here. So I got the camera today. Hopefully it's a good angle considering it's just my vlogging camera on a tripod in a John boat. So that's just a disaster waiting to happen. Anyways, let's get the boat and let's go fish. Alright guys, we just got to the first spot. And yeah, there's people that come out here with their bass boats all the time, dude. Like you see the water right underneath us. Yep. Oh, that's a good one, guys. Oh, yeah. Oh, no, he's alright. We smashed one, guys.
Alright.
There we go, right there. He's right there, guys. Feisty guy. He's probably just a little pissed that he just got caught. That's the way the cookie crumbles. He felt big at first because he was swimming through a lot of weeds right after I caught him. Sorry, I tripped. I don't have enough space to turn.
I'm really glad that I didn't bring my phone on me.
I really just did that. I just accidentally wrapped it.
Whoa, quit pulling at me, dude.
The way Chase broke his rod tip was not even similar to this.
I don't know if it doesn't die. Bro, you can't just do this to me, man.
For real, it's kind of good. The pole sucks. Alright, the camera just died, and I smoked this guy. Cameron lost a pretty nice one. But, of course, as soon as the camera dies, we hook up. My Senko came off, that sucks. You can use this HOAX fish chiseler. See how this baby works out. They make some really solid baits. That's a super good spot. I just landed that.
Where's your crankbait? Did I throw it?
Yeah.
It's at the bottom of everything. Get me over, like,
Oh, yeah. Oh, baby, get over here. Get over here. That's a good fish. It's a good fish. Boat flip.
oh, yeah!
There we go, baby. There we go. Oh. Yes.
How big, dude?
There we go, baby. On the freaking HOAX fish chiseler right there. That is what I'm talking about. Woo! I got Peric lens. I got Peric lens right now. Check that out, guys. I'd say about 1.5 to 2 pounds.
You get your scale?
You get your scale?
Yep.
Just freaking smash that right there. That's what I'm talking about. Here, actually, I got.
Here.
Hold up. 2-2. Good fish right there. Once again, guys, good fish right there on the HOAX chiseler. Here you go, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Drop the poles because we're on them. Later, turds. Alright, guys. We ditched the boat and came over to Cameron's house. Fishing Dove Creek now. I want to start bow hunting back here because there's so many good deer back here. Oh, crap.
Next bass wins.
The whole day. Okay. And we only get 5 more casts, so. Oh, yeah. Crushed him. Dang it, dude. I just said. Told you he was there.
Only I'm allowed to handle bass in my place, bro.
There you go, guys.
It's a good
right
dink.
there.
Dude, what the heck is that? It's
Largemouth bass.
that looks weird, doesn't it?
4 for the day.
Dude, that looks like a smallmouth. Different colors, but like it's not, doesn't have that stripe. All right, now it's time to go.
Say goodbye.
Are you ready?
Hold up, hold up. I think there's another fish there.
John, let's go, dude.
Dude, what am I hung up on? That hit really weird. Alright guys, so that's all we got for today's video. I hope you really enjoyed it. We had fun fishing out on the John boat and fishing on Cameron's land. That's Cameron right there. You can go ahead and click right there to actually subscribe to my channel for more awesome fishing content.